Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. On today's lesson, we'll be doing limits. And the limits as x approaches 0 when we are given sec x minus 1 all over x squared. Right. So we are given a trigonometric identity, sec x. So with the sec x, what we're going to do, we're going to convert it into sec x is the same as 1 over cos x. Right, because in our calculator we have sine, cos, tan. We want to use that. So we're going to say where there's sec x, 1 over cos x minus 1 all over x squared. This is our second step. The limit as x approaches 0 is 1 over cos x minus 1 all over x squared. Then what we're going to do, we're going to do our multiplication. We're going to say cos x times 1 and then minus 1, right? We will have 1 minus cos x all over cos x all over x squared as our third step. The limit as x approaches 0. The third step, the limit as x approaches 0, we have 1 minus cos x all over cos x. It's like we have converted 1 over cos x minus 1 into 1 minus cos x all over cos x. Right. So yeah. So after that part, the limit as x approaches 0, so 1 minus cos x all over cos x all over x squared. Right. So we'll say then 1 minus cos x times, this divide will convert it to times, right? We'll say times, then this will flip. It's going to be x squared all over cos x. The limit as x approaches 0. Right. Then after that, this is the step that we take. The limit as x approaches 0, 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x. This divide, we made it times. Times, so when you're timesing, it's going to be x squared over cos x. It flips. X squared all over cos x. Right. So x squared times 1 minus cos x is going to be, we're going to put this in bracket. It's going to be x squared 1 minus cos x. So we have the limit as x approaches 0. X squared 1 minus cos x all over this cos x. Right. Then when we are in this step, then we can then easily substitute our x with 0. We put 0. So we'll start with brackets. Inside the brackets, 1 minus cos 0 gives us 1. So it's going to be 1 minus cos 0. This is going to give us 1. And then 1 times 0, it's going to give us 1 minus 1, which is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. Then cos 0 is going to give us 1. So it's going to be 0 over 1. 0 times 0 all over 1 gives us 0. So our final answer is 0 of the entire expression. So please click on that subscribe button for more learning content. This is how you solve limits if you are given a trigonometric identity. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning content.